What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake camshaft position sensor on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just want to pull this cover off, just grab underneath the cover, slide up, and then up there and there's these retainers that hold it in. They just push on little grommets right on those locations. This is where the intake camshaft position sensor is located, in the back here. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab. Slide the connector off, and push down on the tab that releases the lock. Then we want to take this bolt out. I'm just going to use a 10mm socket. I'm going to use an electric ratchet. You can use a regular ratchet if you don't have an electric one. Take that bolt out. And if there's any dust in this area, you want to wipe it away or use a little compressed air. You don't want that getting into the engine. And then generally these are pretty difficult to get out because of the O-ring. Sometimes they pull right out. Let's see if we can just get this out. All right, I'm struggling a little bit, so what I'm going to do is just take a little water displacement oil. That's some kind of a lubricant. Let it sit for a second. Then it'll be easier to pull the O-ring up. All right, now that that's set for a little bit, just try to grab this, pull it out, and then I'll just try to take a pick, try to get underneath here. Just be careful. Just rock it back and forth a little bit. You don't want to pry too hard because then you'll just crack it. It is plastic. But there we go, got it out. What happens is you get a little dirt or corrosion on the top of that O-ring, and that causes it to come out kind of a little bit difficult. Here's the old part. Here's the new cam sensor from 1aauto.com. You can use this cam sensor both in the exhaust cam or the intake cam. The sensor itself is the same. Has the same O-ring, the connector is the same, and the mounting position is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Just take a rag, clean out this a little bit. Try not to get any debris falling down into the engine. Take the new sensor. I'm just going to take a little bit of ATF, or you can take some engine oil or some other type of grease. It's just going to help the seal, prevent the seal from rolling when you're installing this. And make sure that goes down. That's flush. Take the screw or the bolt. Started, and take the 10mm socket and ratchet and just snug this up. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Take this cover, we want to line these little tabs up with these little pins right there. There's 3 of them. Push it down and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.